everyone, my name is Kelly Roberts and welcome. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I got these Julie Nutting dolls red carpet ready with acrylic paints. This was a lot of fun and this is a big experiment, so I'm still learning as I go. So I know a lot of you guys are super creative, so maybe as you watch you can come up with some other ideas that would be even better. But this is the way I figured out how to transform them. So the stamps we'll be using today will be Nora, Phoebe, Jessi, Willow, and of course we had to use Kelly. So as you can see, I really transformed their outfits by making their skirts longer, or on this one it looks like it has some feathers. And this was a lot of fun, you guys. So my inspiration for this was during the holidays, I made this little sample page and it came out so pretty. I was like, oh, I want to do one for the red carpet season. Yeah, I really love going past the lines and kind of creating my own designs. So for you who are sort of like me, you have a little inner fashion designer within you, this is a fun way to see what you can do to change up the current style of the doll stamp. So as you can see, I changed the hair on several of them, and that was a lot of fun too. So you can change up the hair, you can change up the outfits. And the way that I did it was I got my white acrylic paint and I just painted out the lines that I didn't want. And you might even use your pencil and kind of sketch if you're not sure how you'd like it to look. And that was it. So really getting the stamp image, the only thing I really need to have for sure was like the head and the feet. But the rest you can adjust and cover the part you don't want and add parts that you would want. And this was a lot of fun just playing around and seeing what can happen. So in this video today I'm going to focus on Phoebe. We're going to transform her. And I must admit this does look a little messy, but I think because I'm using it on just regular sketch paper. But if you use a canvas or watercolor paper, I think you'd get a better result. But this was just fun having them all on one page. So let's look at the supplies. The supplies that you'll need will be your doll stamp, of course. You'll need your StazOn permanent ink pad or something similar. You'll need your block or a book or something to help put pressure to stamp your image onto the paper or the canvas or whatever you're going to use. Of course we're going to use acrylic paints, and I'm probably going to embellish with this silver chunky glitter, and then I'll also need Mod Podge, and this is a matte formula. So let's get started.